We recently moved into a new space, so we needed a bigger place, so we've got some new furniture, new arrangement.
We increased our size by almost 2.5 times, and because of that, we found ourselves in the need to change our space frequently as we grow. We wanted to have the flexibility to move things around without having permanent fixtures in the space.
We needed something that's not too invasive to the building. Digging, big core drilling and that kind of stuff isn't really an option for us.
We looked at several different options and found Connectrac being modular, being easy to use, easy to install, and it just made sense.
I can tell you in our old space, we sort of did without. We had extension cords and it was pretty rough. So we needed something that was really flexible, and when we found Connectrac, that really fit the bill. Actually, I did the install personally myself. I was surprised at how well the carpet laid back down over the install after we did it. But basically, once we got power up into the wall, the rest of it was extremely straightforward. It was done before lunch.
Just slick, beautiful. You walk in the room, you can't even tell it's there, and you just look across and you see the outlets there, and it blends beautifully.
It was flexible and easy to install, so I would definitely recommend it to anybody.
If you're thinking about trenching or using power poles, don't waste your money. You just reconfigure the room, move it around, and guess what? Connectrac moves with it. It's a beautiful thing.